Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure you are on Windows 10 and signed into an admin account because permission affects display services. Open Settings System Display and look for the Night Light toggle. If it's available, try toggling it now to see if the issue is temporary. Once done, restart Explorer. EXE or perform a full reboot. This clears simple UI or service hangs and saves time before we proceed to deeper configuration fixes. Next, you inspect services and system configuration. Open services. MSC and confirm Power and Windows Update are running because Nightlight hooks into Power and Update frameworks. Set them to automatic and restart them. Then, carefully check key registry entries tied to display and cloud experience host. Incorrect values can disable the feature, so export before editing and only change known entries. Finally, update or roll back your display driver. Driver mismatches often break color profiles. Then reboot to let changes take effect. Finish by repairing core system files. Run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, then sfc/scano. These restore corrupt components that prevent Nightlight from initializing. If that doesn't help, create a new local admin user and test Nightlight. Profile corruption is a common culprit. Once done, if the problem persists, perform a clean boot to isolate conflicting apps or third-party color utilities. Tip: if Nightlight works in the new profile, migrate your data rather than chasing subtle registry corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.